Wanda Briones, Ma'am Chudora de Belen, and Ma'am Judy Fortuna. Meron din po kayong token from our guest speaker. Once again, thank you so much po. Now, to provide us with even more inspiration and blessings, let's welcome Ma'am Myra Endelta, Master Teacher 1 of Techball Department, to introduce our guest speaker.